Right then, how we doing? I'm back with another video, obviously, and today I'm going over the Tyne Bridge. I'm doing Central Motorway now, just from the east end of Newcastle. Yeah, 2 seconds while I try not to kill myself. Yeah, so just getting on the Central Motorway now. We're going to go over the Tyne Bridge, head towards Gateshead. So yeah, that's the plan. We're going to Ikea, me and Harrison, aren't we?
Yep.
So Ikea is near the metro centre. So well, let's get the cameras out and do some filming. So there we go, there's a Tyne Bridge. Must be about 100 years old now, but as you can see, needs a lick of paint, but that has been planned. There is plans to repaint it, which is apparently a 2-year job or something daft like that. I think I read somewhere. So yeah, it's a Tyne Bridge for you. Now, if you're new to driving, which I was when I lived in Gateshead years and years ago, right? Gateshead is a nightmare to drive around, especially the centre, because it's busy and there's just traffic lights and junctions and lanes and all sorts. It's just so confusing. So I'm trying to remember how to do this without killing myself. I think I know what I'm doing. So I want to sort of loop round here. We'll follow Eddie. When in doubt, follow Eddie Stobart.
I'm saying that on my head as well.
Where?
Yeah.
Eddie knows the way, don't you, Eddie? He's everywhere. Whenever you go out, right, on a road trip, guarantee to see an Eddie Stobart van. Right, we'll fast forward this bit and we'll see you when we get through the lights. Right. I think I'll carry on at these lights. I think. What I'm going to do is we're going to go. Actually, go down Bensham Bank. I don't know whether to go along here. Quickest way then. Then Bensham Bank might be more scenic. I'll do Bensham Bank. An old haunt of mine. Assuming I'm allowed up here. Can't see why not. Oh, more traffic lights, man.
Lord. Right. I never feel that orange bush.
Right. So you have no idea what lane I'm meant to be in here, so I'm gonna actually, yeah, there's the right lane. Right, so this takes you towards Bensham. So I lived in Bensham between 2004 and 2007. just felt so homesick. Because although it's not miles and miles away from home, like from where I'm used to, because when I first moved there I didn't drive, so I didn't know anybody around here. Just, I don't even know why I moved there, to be honest. I think we just found a flat, viewed it and we thought, go on then, you know, young and stupid as you do, and ended up living there for 3 years with a mortgage. So this is called Bensham Bank, assuming it's because it's in Bensham and it's a bank. Its official name is Bensham Road, by the way, so if you're looking in a A to Z book for Bensham Bank, you'll not find it. Like. So I would have had to turn a left here at Wickham House to get to where I used to live. But because we're going to Ikea and not my old house, we're going to carry on. More traffic lights. So down here it takes you to the Tyne Valley, which is a massive trading estate with a retail park there as well. Now, not far from here is where the Garden Festival was back in 1990. So it's a massive regeneration programme where they had loads of attractions on, had a massive Ferris wheel, loads of like entertainment and sculptures, art shows. If you do a YouTube search, you'll find information on it if you don't already know what it is. But it's quite a massive event at the time, which every 2 years it happened in areas that needed redevelopment, and it led to some new housing estates being built. In fact, I don't even know why I've come this way, because this is so not the way to Ikea. Never mind. We've had a little tour of Bensham. Oh. Is that a fun fair I see there? Shame we're going to Ikea. Actually, I think I remember seeing it advertised in Tyne Valley. I miss Metroland. I used to go there when I was a kid, in the Metro Centre. In the Yellow Mall. It was a fun fair. A roller coaster and stuff. So this roundabout takes you onto the A1. I think I'm going the right way. Lane. This is the one. It's all been redone. This is this bit. So I'm sure the Metro Centre is the turn off after this one. Actually, no, I think it's a Dunstan turn off, then the Metro Centre. So we took the long way round, but we got there in the end. This lane or the left lane, but we'll soon find out. be cheeky and do a little indicator thing here. That's the one. To be, yes, good call, straight ahead, that's the one. Otherwise I would have ended up going the long way around. So, yes, this is the little sort of shopping park which is on the outskirts of the Metro Centre. There's a Toys R Us, sofa shops and all that malarkey, Sports Direct, Pets and Co. And of course, Ikea, which means we've made it in one piece. So, that brings us to the end of this fabulous video. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe for more videos of me driving around and talking nonsense. So, thanks again, until the next time, safe driving.